You are correct.
B is right. It is.
What's up, everybody? We're back with another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. I am your host, Rashid Kareem Shatty, and we are here today at the world-famous La Brea Tar Pits. What is your name and where are you from?
Hi, I'm Danielle from Baldwin Park.
I'm Samantha from Rancho Cucamonga.
Hi, my name is Jane and I'm from Los Angeles.
I'm Michael Fitzgerald and I live here in the neighborhood in Los Angeles.
I'm Zoe from Santa Ana.
I'm from Kevin, I'm from Norwalk.
I'm Ariel from Pico Rivera.
And who is this?
This is Ricky. She's 5 months.
So let me ask, this is a pre-question. Are any of you guys fans of eggnog?
Gross. I don't get it.
Ooh, I love eggnog. Yum. Rompope, you know what that is?
Yeah, what is that?
It has like some alcohol in it, you know?
Even with booze, I don't like it.
How many calories are in your average cup of eggnog? Is it A, 100, B, 250, or C, 350?
350.
250.
What do you think?
B. B's our final choice, yeah.
You are correct.
B is right. It is.
B is correct.
Maybe I have a bigger glass.
Fun fact, the word nog actually means an egg-based beverage. So having egg in front of nog is slightly redundant.
Egg, yeah.
Egg, yeah. I'm gonna start calling it egg. What are the average number of calories eaten on Christmas Day? A, 4,500, B, 6,700, or C, 7,000?
I'm trying to think what people, they eat a lot of stuff. Those are high numbers.
God, 4,500 seems like so much already, you know? But let's do the middle. Yeah. 67.
I feel like 7,000 is just like, that's like 3 days worth of food, so.
It's probably the least. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll go with A.
C?
C is correct. You're 2 for 2.
Oh my God. They're crazy.
It's actually, can you believe this? 7,000.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Not for me. Sorry, not for me.
7,000 is average for the amount of calories eaten on Christmas Day alone. The ideal daily calorie intake is about 2,000 to 2,500. How are you feeling? Are you nervous at all, or?
I feel good. I feel really good, yeah. Ricky, how do you feel? I think she feels good.
Which one of these is one of the top 3 ways people get injured over the Christmas holidays? Is it A, deep cuts, B, electrical shock, or C, excess alcohol?
That's a good one.
Because the lights, no? We hang up lights in the house, electric, yeah?
I haven't shocked myself, personally.
You, but what about others?
Wow. Electric shock?
I think A is good, though.
Okay.
All of the above.
If we don't
What was
get
Yeah.
it? Okay, yeah, A is fine. A is good.
I want to say B.
B is correct. You got it. You did it. That is correct. You are right. It is B, electric shock.
I told you. I literally told you.
I have to go home right now.
I knew. They know I knew. And he put the microphone right by me, like we knew I was right.
Yeah.
Yeah, they say if you leave your Christmas lights in storage for 11 months every year and then fire them up, it's a scenario where it's easy for things to go wrong and for you to get shocked when you plug them in. Faulty older lights are also more likely to start house fires, so it's important to take care of them and replace them when needed.
I've switched to the LEDs.
Oh, so you're good.
Yeah.
You are on the money. Nailed it. And we got a little cash prize for you right now.
We're gonna buy food for you. Thank you so much.
I'm Michael Fitzgerald. I just played the Street Smarts Challenge. Thank you, Dherbs.
We're the Cal Poly crew and we just played Street Smart. Woo!
Thank you, Dherbs.
Thank you, Dherbs.
My name is Jane, and I just won the street challenge with Dherbs. Me and Ricky did.
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode.